Hello everyone, let's try to understand the length of arc and area of sector based upon whatever new things we have learned, the circular system. So let's consider this circle and AB as arc on them. So you know that AOB will be called sector and the curved line AB will be called arc. Okay, let's consider this circle is having the radius r and angle AOB is equal to theta, and AB, length AB, not straight line AB, curved length, that is arc length AB is equal to S. So we know already that theta is equal to S by R. That was the definition in the circular system. So what will be S? S is equal to R theta. So remember, on any circle, if we know the angle subtended at the center by that arc in radians theta, then we have to just multiply it by R to get the answer in answer of that length of arc. Length of arc S is equal to R into theta. Now, what about the area of the sector? That's area of the sector AOB. Here the formula is half R square theta. You can remember this formula. So both of these formulas are not the new formulas. You had already studied these formulas in school in degrees. So what we have done now is we have just converted that angle and used the unit radians. So initially, as you might remember, the formula in degrees was theta divided by 360 for this one, okay, arc length. The formula was theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. So what we did is one complete rotation 2 pi r divided into 360 parts and then picked up theta parts. But now this remaining portion, this portion as you can see, okay, this one, which is theta into 2 pi upon 360, right? It is theta in radians, and that's how we have made this, constructed these formulas. You can remember these formulas now because we will be using this often. So for area also, let's try to derive how this formula comes. Now when angle is 2 pi, right? So if instead of theta, if we take the angle 2 pi, then we are talking about the complete circle, and the area would have been 2 pi, area would have been pi r square. So now if angle is theta, then what is the area? Let's say that the area is A, then we use the proportionality. 2 pi by theta is equal to pi r square by A, and you get the formula for A to be half r square theta. Try to do it by yourself. Now let's solve one example here. A horse is tied to a post by a rope. If horse moves along a circular path, always keeping the rope tight. Keeping the rope tight means having the radius same, that is it's moving on the circular path, and describes 88 meters. When it has traced out 72 degrees at the center, find the length of the rope. So I think diagram is important. So this is the post and rope, length of the rope is to be found out, and here there is horse which is moving on the circular path. Let's say it moved 88 meters and then the angle was 72 degrees. So what is length of rope? Let's say it's to be r. Then arc length is given to be 88 meters and theta is given to be 72 degrees. So as we are going to use in radians, let's convert into radians. So it's 72 into pi upon 180 radians, and that is 2 pi by 5 radians. So theta is equal to 2 pi. We have the formula S is equal to r theta. So r is equal to S by theta. Put S is equal to 2 pi and theta is equal to 2 pi by 5 and do the calculations. Okay, we can take pi as approximately 22 by 7, and after simplification we will get that to be 70 meters. So the length of the rope is 70 meters. Can you go through these calculations again? That will be helpful for you. Thank you.